Hello everybody, this is dove.craft does every day, and today this is another video of cattails, and here's my cat Larry, everybody, in case you didn't know. This is cool old Larry. Sorry how bright it is. It's like the sun is really bad right now. It's like pointing right at my face. Sucks. So here's Larry being a goofy cat. So let's walk over here. We got a few new cats since you guys last checked in with you on these cattails. There's Larry being a nosy fat cat. I don't know if any of them are over here. No, we got two new cats. They're kind of like Fluffy in the fact that they're fluffy. But we got like a gray and white one. They're really beautiful. Her name's Tamika. She's just a little kitten. A little bit smaller than Jangles and those cats. And yeah. Then we got her brother's name is Raul. So everybody, that cat right there that's Fluffy, the gray one right there laying down, rubbing his head, his name is Fluffy. Then that black one walking right there, that is not Jangles, that's Night Rider. And that grayish one right there, underneath that thing, that's Jangles. That's Piper. I'm getting all my names mixed up right now. Sorry, the sun is like really bright. It's bad. It's like really bad. Oh, Larry. Oh, what you doing, boy? Oh, yeah, that's Larry. Oh, yeah, Larry's a good boy, huh? Yeah, Larry's good. Oh, yeah, huh, Larry? You like that? Oh, Larry likes that. Larry loves it, huh? Oh, here comes Jangles being a nosy cat, huh? Oh, I love you, Jangles. Come here, girl. Oh, Jangles is purring now? Oh, Jangles, I love you. Love you, Jangles. Jangles is pretty cool. Yeah. Larry and Fluffy, they're about maybe 8 months old. Almost a year, I know that. Jangles and her brothers and sisters, they're about 6 months or something like that. Because I know Larry's a freaking big cat, but he's not fully grown yet. And Jangles is a pretty cool cat. Oh, Jangles. Oh, yeah, Jangles. If you guys wonder where I got that name, it's from Jangles the Moon Monkey on Fallout 4. And actually, the whole Fallout series, I think. I never played the originals. But I know Fallout 3, they have like it on billboards and stuff. Yeah, the cats aren't really active right now because it's like 9 o'clock right now when I'm recording it. Oh, Jangles, what you doing, girl? Oh, Jangles. Larry don't know what to do. Larry's male, everybody, so you want to know. It's not. You gotta keep it PG-13, man. Yeah, Jangles. Jangles being goofy. Wish Raul and Tamika were here right now so I could show you them. Unfortunately, I don't know where they are right now. Here comes Fluffy. In my last few videos, Fluffy wasn't really friendly. That was because I had my dog over here, Degado. He's German Shepherd, about a year old. Because, yeah, he was here and no, he's not. I mean, he's like in my lower yard, so he's not over here bothering the cats. Yeah, Fluffy's a pretty cool cat. Oh, Fluffy's Mr. Fancy Pants, huh, Fluffy? Fluffy likes this. Oh, I love you, Fluffy. And, yeah. I'll show you some other cats. Larry, Jangles, and there is a cat right there being weird. What a goofy cat. Oh, look at that cat. The cat's running away from me. Why you gotta run away from me, kitty? That cat doesn't have a name. Neither does this one right here, because they're twin sisters. They look exactly alike. Yeah. Oh, what you doing? What you doing, girl? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? You gonna kiss the camera? What? You gonna do it? Oh, she kissed the camera. You kiss the camera, huh? Oh, you're a good girl. Yeah, huh? Come on. She's a good cat. She's pretty big. For how young she is. Oh, great. There's Larry. There's Larry. There's Larry. Piper. Oh, it's Smokey, too. From where I'm looking. Right behind me. Here's Fluffy. A lot of crows around lately. It's weird. Ah, man, sorry if you can't see very well. Sun is pretty bad. There's Piper over there. And then Smokey's right there. She's a gray cat. Right over there in the corner. Oh, great. Oh, great. There's Fluffy. Huh. There's Jangles over there. Walking over here now. Oh, she walking down. Oh, there she gone. And Larry's over here cleaning himself right now. Jeez, Larry. I wonder where Wool and Tamika are. Maybe in my video this Thursday, I'll show you guys them. Because we have a pretty big yard. And they like to wander. So they're not always in one place. And I wonder where they are. Huh. What you doing? What you doing, boy? Oh, yeah, love Larry, huh? Oh, Larry's a good boy, huh? Oh, Larry likes getting rubbed right in your belly, huh? Oh, Larry loves that, huh? Oh, we can hear you purring now, Larry. Oh, yep, Larry's a good boy, huh? Oh, Larry, we love you. Oh, we love you, Larry. We love you, Larry. We all love you so much. Oh, yep, Larry likes getting scratched right there. Oh, you got something to say to the camera? Oh, Larry kissed the camera too, wow. Oh, Larry likes to get on the camera, huh? Yeah, Larry loves it, huh? Larry. I don't know where those cats are. What you doing? Oh, Larry's a good boy, huh? Man, Larry's a good boy. What's that, Larry? Oh, Larry likes me, huh? Oh, Larry's a good boy. Over here. Oh, there's Orange Kitty. There's one of the Orange Kitties. Oh, wait, we got Orange Tail over there, too? Oh, we got another little kitty. That Jangles? What's the Jangles doing over here? Rebuilding Cat City, huh? I've got 3 kitties over here. Oh, yeah. Oh, come in, Jangles. Larry's funny, though. Because, he thinks he's like the alpha male of our cats, because, like, he messes with our dogs. Like, we have our dogs, say, like, they're walking around, and Larry, like, chases after them. And the dogs are scared of him. He's funny. Yep. Oh, wait, what's that cat doing? Oh, the cat see me recording now. Larry's happy, huh? Yep, Larry's very happy. Not too happy. Oh, you kidding? That cat's weird. She's cool though. Oh, I love you, Jangles. Oh, Jangles. Sorry, I mean Larry. You like that, huh? You like that, Larry? So everybody, I'm ending it here. Thanks for watching, and check me out on Instagram, everybody, at dove.craft, Facebook at dove.craft, space DUZIT. Hope you enjoyed. I know Larry did. Look at his face. Look at Larry's face. Bye, Larry. Say bye. Goodbye, people. I will see you later.